Hello. This is my first YouTube video and I'm so excited. My name is Kushi and welcome to my channel. Just few things about me. I love makeup, I love dressing up and घूमना फिरना किससे नहीं पसंद है यार. One thing about me is I am going to try to live up to my name and I want to be happy and bring happiness through my content. Another thing is I love to try everything. Like I want to try every new thing and वही सब आपको इस चैनल पे देखने मिलेगा. So do subscribe to my channel and follow along this journey. For my first YouTube video, I have created this makeup look using Simba Lifestyle brushes. So let's start the tutorial. First step is skin prep. If you want your makeup to last longer and look flawless, never skip skin prep. For this, you can keep it simple and use any serum with moisturizer, apply lip balm and leave it for 10 minutes. Another great tip is to always use a primer. I have oily skin, so I like to use silicone based mattifying primer. It minimizes my pores, smoothes the skin and grips my makeup throughout the day. Using the spoolie brush to comb and set my eyebrows, I don't use any brow products because it's naturally thick and dark. I just comb them upwards and then glide it from front to the end, and you can clearly see what of a difference it makes. For dark circles and hyperpigmentation around my face, I am using orange color corrector. बस अपने problem areas में थोड़ा लगा के blend करो using your fingers. Set it using very less amount of powder. Any loose powder will work. This has to be my favorite concealer. It's definitely very expensive but worth the investment. You just need very little of this as it's super high coverage. Applying it under my eyes and around my face. अब 2 मिनट के लिए भूल जाओ आपने कुछ लगाया है and do not touch it and straight move on to the next step. Apply foundation on remaining parts of your face and blend it. Remember to dab and not drag the brush. I love this brush as it didn't leave any harsh lines after blending, which is really a great thing in a brush. Now we take a small fluffy brush for blending concealer. What I like to do is start a little lower from the lash line and blend there evenly and then work it upwards. इससे crease lines में कम से कम product deposit होगा. Using the same foundation brush, mouth area के यहाँ वाला concealer अच्छे से blend कर लेंगे. Since I was shooting तो कैमरा में कैप्चर हो एंड अच्छा लगे इसलिए I applied some more concealer and blended it. आप अपने हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं concealer की quantity. Take your most time for blending. It's very important. अब मैं यहाँ एक फनी एक्सप्रेशन दे रही हूँ बट यू शुड ऑल्सो स्क्विंट योर आईज 2 to 3 टाइम्स. इससे क्रीज में एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट सेटल होता है. सो नाउ जस्ट टेक अ क्यू टिप एंड वेरी जेंटली क्लीन द एक्सेस. उसके बाद ब्लेंड इट विद द सेम कंसीलर ब्रश. At this step, I personally like to lock everything in with a setting spray. Just shake it, spray it, and let it absorb in your skin fully. Let's prep the eyes with some concealer. Apply it on your eyelids and blend it अच्छे से even under your eyebrows. I do not have any loose powder, so I am using Pond's का talcum powder to set my eyelids, which by the way works perfectly fine. Next, I'm using this very pop aqua blue eyeshadow and placing it only on the inner eyes. Using a brown lip liner as kajal and drawing a small wink on the outside. Yes, you can use lip liner as kajal. Makeup is all about creativity, so why not? And doing equal wink on both sides is physically impossible for me, but never mind, I tried. Then using some dark brown eyeshadow to smudge the liner very lightly and set it in place. Next I'm taking this holographic liquid glitter with chrome effects of silver, blue and purple tones, applying it on the center of my eyes and little in the inner corners. Camera is definitely not doing justice to how great this product is. Next I'm using a powder blush in coral shade. I start from outside of my face and slowly bring it in, applying on the apple of my cheeks. I also apply it on my nose and chin. Taking very little amount of this highlighter, I place it on the high points of my face, that is the cheeks, on the center of my nose and cupid's bow, using a finger and blend it seamlessly with the help of a brush. Just look at that shine and glow. Bomb products by K Beauty. I absolutely love it. I always roll my mascara like this between my hands. Quick tip, always remove the excess product from wand and then apply in zigzag motion. Was feeling shy to do it on camera, so here's a quick transition. Woohoo! Just look at those lashes, it looks artificial. Good mascara can either make or break your look. Going in with a mauve or nude brown lip liner to line the lips and smudging it in with my fingers. Then I'm applying very little of this maroon lipstick only in the center of my lips and then smudging it in. I didn't like how this was looking, so I'm applying concealer in the centers to tone it down. It became a pink shade which I absolutely hate on me. So finally applying a brown nude lipstick on top. I never get my lipstick right with just one product. Applying gloss only on the centers of my lip to give a balmy effect, and one final step is locking it all in with a setting spray. This will melt our makeup seamlessly and it's all done. This is a great way to add that pop of color in your makeup and it will definitely look great in parties or dinners too. मस्त लग रही हूँ ना? नहीं मस्त लग रही. Final verdict about the brushes. These are super premium quality. I am very impressed. I love these brushes. My makeup has turned out. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Do let me know what you think about this makeup. अगर आप वीडियो के इस पार्ट तक पहुंच गए तो do drop this emoji in the comments. I will see you in my next video. उम्मीद है आपको खुशी हुई. Bye.